If I knew nobody would judge me, I would feel more free in my thoughts and action. I would speak more honestly, take more risk, and follow with my I truly believe in. But I also know that complete freedom could make me too confident in myself. Without any feedback, I note my own mistake. I learned that judgment even on way negative. When I come to with care and honestly, it's become the guidelines. The guide feedbacks help me recognize what is right, what is wrong, and sometimes show me the right direction when I feedback lost. For me, real freedom is not about the avoid adjust, adjustment, judgment, and but about know which voice it listen and which voice to stay true in myself. Thank you.